Very good morning to everyone. Happy to see all of you together. Most of them have joined the class. Please switch on the video. Yes, please switch on the videos. 9 of them are there. Yes, Hannah, good morning. Femina, good morning. Switch on the video. Anila, any trouble with your network? Yes? I feel so. Yes, Tomlin? Why no message last day?
Ma'am, here one function was also.
I came to know your family gathering and all.
Yes.
Your friend told me. But why no message? I have asked you to give me a message.
Yes, ma'am, I thought, then I forgot.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Anyways. So, wishing you all a wonderful morning. Let's begin the session banking. And now we are going to start the last chapter, number 5, green skills. Green skills. Yes. I want to hear from you. What do you understand by green skills? Green, from the word itself, what do you understand? Yes, Femina, try. Try. What is green skills? Green. Green means what? Like, what does green indicate? Yes, please unmute. Green. Immediately when you hear this term, green, what do you, what does that come to your mind first? Yes, somebody? Please tell me. Yes, nothing comes to your mind? Green. Don't you find greenery around you? Yes, Sabarna?
Ma'am, something related to nature.
Nature. Yes, your environment. Nature around you. We all live in a beautiful nature. Yes, on earth. That is green. So, green skills. Now, what is green skills? Yes? Related to your nature, your environment. So, skills. Skills means what? Your capabilities, your abilities, what you are going to perform, what you do. That is skills. So, green skills. What is that? Yes, Karthik, what is green skills?
Ma'am, the ability to manage the environment,
Yes.
surroundings.
The skill you apply to maintain the beauty, to preserve your nature. The skills. Okay? That is green skills. The skills you develop to protect your nature. How you deal with your nature. How do you deal with your surrounding, your environment. Okay. From where do we start this skill from? From where do we start developing the skills? What do you think? Is it from school? You learn it from school? Which is our first school? Yes? Yes, Sanjo, what do you think? From where do we develop this green skills from? No idea? Do you have a garden at home? Yes? I'm asking all of you. Do you have garden? Garden with flowers, vegetable garden, trees. Do you have all these around your house? Yes. So we begin to practice green skills from our home. Home is our first school. We learn everything from our home, from our parents. So green skills, we start developing the green skills from home. You maintain garden, especially after, during this pandemic situation. all of us have started vegetable gardening. Am I right? Don't you have your own vegetable garden? At least something. Chili, tomato. Yes or no? Don't you have vegetable garden at home? Yes. And not only that, what you do early in the morning itself, we find, especially in Kerala, we all start cleaning our front yard. Yes? And we keep everything neat and clean. You mop your house, you dust your house, your surrounding, everything is kept clean. So everything you begin from your home, from early in the morning itself. Am I right? Yes. So that is green skills. We are going to learn more about green skills and how do we employ it in our jobs. Employability skills. That means, what is employability skills? It is the skills that you are going to help you, that will help you with your employment, your jobs. So this is also a skill that is required to be successful in your career. Okay, that is green skills. Excuse me. So before going to that in detail, I told you some hints. Tell me something else that can be practiced from home. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Please write. What else do you practice at home to protect your nature or environment friendly things that you do at your home? Please. Yes, Femina, please switch on your video. Irfan, switch on the video. Yes, quickly. Think. It's okay. You think, take time. Even if you don't get, no problem. But still, try to find out something. From home, what you practice to keep our environment clean, neat and tidy. To protect our environment. What do you do? I told you 2 points. Gardening. We plant more trees, we plant more plants, all that, and keeping the surrounding clean. Okay, something else. What you can, we all do that. We all practice it, but I want to hear from you. Anybody ready with your points? At least 2, minimum 2. Yes. Hannah, finish? Done? Okay, please tell me your points. Hannah.
By avoiding the plastics.
Very good. Avoiding plastic. You're right. Then, anything else you want to add? Okay, wonderful point. That's right. Say no to plastic. That is a good point. Okay. Tomlin, please tell me.
Ma'am,
Wait, unmute. Finish it. Then you mute. Okay, continue.
ma'am, planting trees more often.
Oh, yes. Okay. Planting trees. That's okay. Yeah. The same point. Okay. Then you can grow seasonal plants. Am I right? The seasonal plants. Okay. Then anything else, Tomlin? Any other points?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Okay. Now, anybody else having a different point? Yes, Karthik, do you have?
Giving plastic for recycling.
Very good. Okay, recycling. That's a good point.
then use of cloth and eco-friendly products.
Very good. Yes, right. Eco-friendly products. Then, okay, very good points. Anything else different to this? Anyone? Aparna, anything different? Or the same points? Okay, it's okay. Aditya, Femina, Irfan, any other points you want to add? Irfan, do you have any points? Okay, so the same points, even let me repeat it again. You can use eco-friendly products, say no to plastics, biodegradable products, then what else? Planting more trees and plants. You can go for indoor plants, outdoor plants, everything, and making your home and your surrounding clean, neat, and tidy. So that is all you can do. You can develop from your home. You can practice from your home. Okay, now let us move on. Green jobs. So what is green jobs now? The jobs that promote the protection of environment. A green job is defined as one that helps bring about and maintain transition to environmentally sustainable forms of production and consumption. Okay, that is green jobs, where you protect the nature, nothing, you are not harming your environment. Such job practices. Okay, whatever job you do, we have certain commitments towards the nature, to our mother earth, to our environment. We shouldn't harm our environment. So whatever job you do, we are going to practice that also. Even in your campus you can find say no to plastic, green campus, such posters or boards you can find nowadays in schools and institutions. What do they what idea do they give? That means they are keeping their surroundings clean, they are protecting their environment. That is the point. So green jobs are jobs where environmental friendly practices are being done. That is green jobs. Now even there is government initiatives now, so recently, that is in 2015, a skill council for green jobs was formed. Skill council for green jobs. That is a government initiative, and it is aligned with the National Skill Development Mission. National Skill Development Mission. Okay, so that is a government initiative to bring about green jobs, to encourage green jobs. Skill council for green jobs. Okay. So nowadays the complete scenario is being changed. Everybody is working for the benefit of the environment. Now, what are the benefits? What are the advantages of these green jobs? When you adopt this, what are the benefits that you get? Or yes, so the benefits of green jobs, that is, increase the efficiency of energy and raw materials. It increases the efficiency. It is not polluted. No more the environmental products, the resources are not polluted. No pollution. So that increases the efficiency of energy and raw materials. Reduce greenhouse gas emissions. What was this greenhouse? Haven't you all learned it in your lower classes? Greenhouse. Yes? Anybody can recollect it and tell me what is this greenhouse effect? So it says that the green jobs, when practiced, that will help to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Anybody remember what is this greenhouse effect? Yes, Anila, you are trying to say? Yes, you try.
It's a process that warms the Earth's surface.
Very good. Yes, you are right. Yes. Certain gases certain chemical gases that warms up the earth, like the sun's rays is coming reaching the earth and it is not getting reflected back. Okay, so it is not getting reflected, so it is there, it is staying in on the earth itself, and that leads to warming up the earth more. Okay, that is greenhouse effect, and the gases are like carbon dioxide, methane, then what else, some other chemicals, chemical gas formations, then nitrous oxide, something like that. After all, we are all into commerce now, we don't know much about this. Okay, anyways, this is the idea. As Anila said, that is the main point. It is warming up the earth. You are right, very good. So, reduce greenhouse gas emission. So, pollution is getting reduced. So, this greenhouse effect, it is getting reduced. Control waste and pollution. Already discussed, we know that we are saying no to plastic. So, waste is reduced, pollution is reduced. Okay. Protect and restore ecosystem. Protect and restore ecosystem. Again the word ecosystem. What is that? Ecosystem. Yes? Anybody? Ecosystem. Ecosystem means together, all of us together, I mean the insects, animals, we, the human beings, all together we live in a, that makes up the ecosystem. Together, all of us together, we live in an ecosystem. Okay, so protect and restore the ecosystem. Support adaptation to the effects of climate change. We know what happened in 2018, August, you remember? 2018 August, what happened in Kerala? Yes? Yes, Aditya, again? Please repeat. Flood, you are right, flood. You remember? Is there anyone who severely got affected with floods in the class? Floods. So climatic changes, the sudden changes in the climate or the weather conditions, it is all because that we are harming the environment. The after effect of that, it is shown by the nature, the floods, etc. So, when the practices of green skills or the green jobs will help to adapt to the effect of climate changes, we can adjust with the climate changes. So, these are the benefits of green jobs. Okay, now let us see the green jobs in various fields. What are the various fields in which we can practice this green jobs? Okay, green jobs in agriculture. Yes, think and tell me, how can we bring our practice green jobs in agriculture? Yes, please share your points. Agriculture. So what can be done? Agriculture, we know it is, we are making the food products, growing product, eatables, I mean food products are created, cultivated. So what are the green jobs or the green skills that can be adopted there? You know all these. Please share.
Use more fertilizers than manure.
Yes, organic manures. That's the point you say. Am I right? Not to use artificial fertilizers, chemicals. Okay, then anything else you want to add? Agriculture. Organic farming, yes, that's a point. Organic farming. Organic gardening and farming is a process by which we can grow plants and crops in an environment friendly way. It prevents toxic runoff as no synthetic pesticides are used. It prevents water pollution and soil contamination as no chemical is added. So when organic products are used, what is the benefit? It can prevent the death of insects, birds, critters and other beneficial soil organisms. Okay. So, green jobs in agriculture, these are the practices that we can bring about. The organic gardening and farming. Okay. Green jobs in agriculture. Yes. You can find some green jobs in agriculture sector like organic farming, integrated pest management, farm mechanization and agriculture tourism. Now, coming to the transportation, what is a recent development or a recent thought in transportation? Yes, anyone? Green jobs. Any news that you have come across recently? Yes, Shubham, anything in transportation field? Yes, please. Any idea, anyone? To protect the environment, the new ideas put forward in the transportation sector. Electric buses, yes, Aditya, you're right. Electric buses are there. Then electric vehicles, electric cars are going to come. Electric cars, chargeable cars. Okay, very good, yes. So, green jobs in transportation. Use of energy efficient vehicles and alternate fuels, compressed natural gas can help minimize greenhouse gas emissions. Yes, Tomlin, please read.
And green jobs in transportation.
Yes.
Use of energy efficient vehicles and alternate fuels like compressed natural gas can help minimize greenhouse gas emissions. The new biofuel policy announced by the government of India.
Louder, please. Louder.
The new biofuel policy announced by the government of India on 10th August 2018 focuses on initiatives for enhanced use of biomass so as to improve the availability of ethanol through starch and sugar-based feedstock, develop ethanol technologies, and increase the production of biodiesel for blending. Biofuel produced directly or indirectly from organic material, including. Ma'am, I am not able to see this.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you, thank you. So that's enough. So green jobs in transportation means use of energy efficient vehicles and alternate fuels like uh, as we discussed, the electric buses, the new technologies, the new upgradation in the transportation sector, which helps to protect nature, to reduce the pollution, to the greenhouse effects. Yes. Then green jobs in water conservation. Water conservation. How can you conserve the water? Any idea? Think about what can you do to conserve your water, to protect your water from pollution or to enrich your resources. What are the practices that can be done? Yes, in younger classes we say, do not waste water. Hmm. So any idea, Karthik?
Collecting rainwater.
Very good. Yeah, that's it. That itself is the main point. Rainwater harvesting. Green jobs in water conservation. There are green jobs in water harvesting and conservation. Rooftop rainwater harvesting. Okay. Refers to the process wherein rainwater is collected in tanks to be used later. It can also help increase the water table. Now, the cycle run water pumps are being used instead of electricity run pumps. Instead of this electricity, using wastage of electricity, you can use such kind of water pumps, cycle run water pumps. Okay. And some common green jobs in agriculture sector. It is also, agriculture is always related to water. We need water is a main resource there. So linking this agriculture sector to the water conservation and water management. Okay. So conservation of rainwater harvesting, that itself is the main thing that you can do to conserve your water. Then coming to green jobs in solar and wind energy. Yes, try points. Green jobs in solar and wind energy. What is the main thing that comes to your mind? What is something that is practiced now to protect your environment or making use of natural resource? Solar and wind energy. Can you say any examples where you can find this?
Solar panels.
Yes?
Solar panels.
Solar panels, very good. Yeah, solar panels. Now it has become a common practice. Even now in most of our house also we started employing this. And can you tell me any organization or something like that where you can find this solar panels? Most of the organization or institutions are using that, but there is a place which is the first one in India, if I remember correctly, where the full system was managed by solar energy. Have you read it somewhere or something that comes to your mind? It was first in India.
Ma'am, airport.
Airport. Which airport?
Ma'am, that I don't.
Yeah, you're right. It was the first airport in India where the solar energy was used. The complete system was managed by the solar panels. Which was that? Yes, you're right. Try to recollect. It is the airport. It is the Cochin International Airport. Okay? The Cochin International Airport was the first airport where the solar panels were used completely, fully. Yes. So, solar and wind power plants provide clean energy. A solar photovoltaic installer installs and maintains solar panels in homes, businesses or land. A solar lighting technician assembles, tests and repairs different types of solar photovoltaic home lighting system and street lights. Even in some places, in cities or places, we find the street lights working, especially in Gulf countries and all. The street lights, they are all working with the help of solar energy. Coming to green jobs in ecotourism. Ecotourism, yes. Share your viewpoints on this. Ecotourism. Ecotourism means what? From the word, what do you understand? Ecotourism. Yes, please switch on the videos. Anjo, Pavitra. Ecotourism, yes. Coming back to the point. Ecotourism. Anjo, try. Ecotourism. Ecotourism. Yes, anyone? Yes, Anila? From the word, what do you understand? Ecotourism.
Tourism to make the people understand about conserving things.
Yeah, tourism, environment friendly tourism. That's the point. Environment friendly tourism, ecotourism. To provide an experience to visitors to understand the importance of conserving resources, reducing waste, enhancing the natural environment and reducing pollutions. And nowadays in every tourist places you can find like the posters or boards, as I said earlier, green, say no to plastic, save energies, what else, such boards you will find. So that is, the tourist places are also making the people aware. Yes, you are right, Aditya. And traveling to forest, conserving the forest, tourist places, eco-friendly tourist places are introduced or maintained. Forests are maintained. These are all the points that come under green jobs in ecotourism, making them aware about the importance of nature, conserving the nature, and also as Aditya said, the forest, the mountains, all that are preserved in the country or the place. Okay, so green jobs in ecotourism. Then, green jobs in building and construction. Building and construction. Yes. Nowadays, several building materials are also available, which makes it environment friendly. Okay, so that is the point in green jobs in building and construction. Houses and buildings are becoming environment friendly. They are sustainable building materials and follow eco-friendly construction processes. I have seen after the flood. You remember I told you the flood that took place in 2018 August. After that, several people in Kerala, after that flood, most of their houses was concreted in front. The front yard was concreted. They all removed it, and again they are back with soil. Front yard with soil. Okay, so such, and nowadays the tiles are available where water can pass through it. So such sustainable building materials are available. Green building designs provide an integrated approach to utilization of renewable and non-renewable resources. So green jobs in building and construction, making the building and the construction activities environment friendly. Green jobs in solid waste management. Solid waste management, how to dispose the waste. Okay. Solid waste management system includes collection, segregation, transportation, processing and disposal of the waste. How are the waste? Let me hear from you. How are the waste in your homes disposed? What do you do with your waste at home? Yes? Yes, please. Anjo? Biogas. Very good, Aditya. You have biogas. You practice that at home. You have it. A plant, biogas plant is there. Okay. I'm asking about you. What is being done? Oh, okay. That is a practice that can be adopted. Okay, Aditya. So I'm talking about you. I mean, at your homes, how are the waste management done? Yes? I'll give you 2 minutes time. Think about it. What is being done or what can be practiced at home? Yes? Pavitra, Femina, switch on the video. Aparna. Ready with your points? Waste management. What do you do at your home? Yes, Anjo, please give me your points. Yes?
Separate plastic.
Yes, you separate your plastic waste, then? Okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah, you're right. Continue. Okay, you separate the plastic waste. Then what do you do with this plastic waste?
Some people will come to collect it.
Very good. There are people to collect plastic waste. They come to your home, so you give it to them. And okay, that's a good point. Okay, anyone else? Yes. Irfan, tell me.
And compost it.
Ah, good. Yes, you make a compost of it. Okay. Okay, then Karthik?
Ma'am, giving it for recycling.
Yes, you're right. You give it for recycling. Your waste at home, it can be recycled. Anila?
One point, recycling.
Recycling. Okay, okay. We can reuse it also. Some of the waste, you can, let me tell you, the rice bags and all, the sack you get, you can convert it into bags. Am I right? There are people that usually do that. And the plastic bottles and all, you can reuse it as flower pots or containers. Okay, reusing, recycling, then separating the plastic. Okay, then giving it to the plastic collecting people. That's good. Then anything else you want to add? Aparna, you want to add anything? And certain area you can find the Kudumbashree people coming and collecting your waste. Those who don't have the facility at home, they come and collect it. Am I right? Yes, that is also a job opportunity. The waste management. And the main thing is, first of all, you will reduce the waste. Wastage should be reduced. That is the main thing. And the green skills is that the skill to manage this. How to manage or dispose this waste efficiently without creating pollution. Okay, so that's it. Green skills in solid management, solid waste management. Now coming to green jobs in appropriate technology. Technology. Yes, the technological side. Coming to the technological side, what are the green jobs or the green skills that can be applied? And as we discussed earlier about the water pumps, you can use the hand-powered water pumps. You can save energy, save electricity there. Solar lamps, already discussed. Solar buildings. So the technological wise, how can you conserve your resources, conserve the energy? Okay, so these are the various green jobs you can find or where you can apply this green skills. And now I want all of you to prepare a poster. Prepare a poster about green skills. Green skills. What we know, what is green skills now? The skills that has to be practiced to conserve the energy, to protect our nature, our environment. Okay, so keeping this idea in your mind, and we have discussed the green jobs also, the green skills that has to be developed in your workplace. Okay, the various techniques that can be adopted. Start preparing a poster, green skill. You will prepare it, you will send it to me in my WhatsApp. Yes, we have 5 minutes more. Please do it. You can make use of your color pencil, sketch pens, whatever is there with you. Green skills, a poster. Femina, Pavitra, Shubham, I hope you all are doing it. Yes. Irfan, please try, switch on your video. Let us see whether it works or not. If anything goes wrong, we'll keep it off. Please switch on, everyone. I want to see you doing. Femina, please do it. Please switch on. Yes, see? Videos are on now. Let us see. If you face any trouble, okay. Green skills. Whatever comes to your mind, whatever you feel like pointing out in your poster, it's fine. When is the World Earth Day? Yes? Usually this is a practice done during that time. Earth Day. When is that? When was that? Yes? Anyone? All are busy writing the poster? Preparing the poster? When is the World Earth Day? I am asking you.
April?
No, it was recently, last month. I think it was a holiday. There was no classes. It is on June 5th. Okay? Yes, please do it. It is almost time. Please try to complete it. I want it now.
Ma'am, can you say the
Green skills, nothing else. No other topic. Green skills, that is the topic given to you. Whatever comes to your mind, please put it in a poster. Prepare a poster. We discussed so many points so far. I told you, we start practicing this green skills from our home. Right from the home. Then the advantages of practicing the green skills, the green jobs, wherever you can apply this green skills. And it is just a poster, it's not an essay, you just have to give the points. And it's not a competition after all. Prepare it, send it to me. Shubham, you there? There is 9 in this class. I want 9 posters now. Yes, Femina, are you facing network issue? Yes, Karthik, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please send it. Have you sent it to me already?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please send. Please send. Or can you just show it in the, I mean, in the video? Just show it, show me. You can send it also, but let me see your poster. Wow, okay. Say no to plastic, save Mother Earth. Use okay, degradable products. Practice the 3 R's. Wow, that's good. Little up, bring it up. Okay, reduce, reuse, recycle, plant more trees. Good, good, very good, very good. Okay. Do send it to me, please. So it's time to wind up. I want to see your posters. I hope you will send it to me soon. Anyone who have completed, just show me. Show me. Those who have done it. We'll wind up now. We'll stop now. Yes, Pavitra, Aditya, Irfan, Anjo, Shubham, I need your posters. Yes, Karthik, I got your message. Yes, I got your poster. Okay. Quick, quick, quick. Okay. So it's time. Let's wind up. Please send it to me soon. Anila, done? Show me fast.
Oh, ma'am.
No? Okay, okay. Okay, please send it. Thank you. See you soon. Bye. Thank you.